To add an SSL certificate to your Namecheap domain, follow these steps. Purchase an SSL certificate. Log into your Namecheap account and navigate to the SSL certificate section. Choose and purchase the SSL certificate that suits your needs. Activate the SSL certificate. After purchasing, go to the domain list and find your domain. Click on Manage next to it, then select Activate under the SSL section. Follow the prompts to enter your certificate signing request. You can generate a CSR from your web hosting control panel. Choose Validation Method. Select the validation method for your certificate. Follow the necessary steps for the chosen method to prove ownership of the domain. Receive the certificate. Once validated, you will receive your SSL certificate via email. Download it and any intermediate certificates. Install the certificate. Access your web hosting control panel and navigate to the SSL TLS section. Upload your SSL certificate and the intermediate certificates. Test the installation. After installation, use an SSL checker tool to verify that the SSL is properly configured and active on your domain.